Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install our labeler speaker rollers onto our labeling system. I will take this machine for an example. Okay, let's begin. Unscrew this part and move out. And change the roller. Put on in this direction. Coming out this direction. Top, not bottom. Top. Okay. And reinstall this part. And lock. Now pay attention to the speaker direction. If you find here is very tense, unscrew this screw. Loosen the screw. Coming through sensor. Okay. Under the plate. And come back here. This part. And through this rubber roller. Okay. Back. Here. And under this roller. Okay. Recycling. This handle. Okay. And press it. Compress. Press this part and turn clockwise like this. Okay. And if you find this screw and this screw to loosen, lock up. Okay. If you can't understand fully from my video, you also can refer to the drawings on the labeling head for your reference. Okay, that's all.